Launch LoggerNet. Start the LoggerNet software on your computer. Go to Setup and choose Data Logger Setup. Select a data logger. Fill data logger name. If your data logger is connected via Ethernet, you can configure the network settings by selecting the logger in LoggerNet and choosing Setup greater than IP configuration. Enter the IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and other network-related setting. Test communication. Data collection and analysis. Once your data logger is configured and communicating with LoggerNet, you can use the software to collect, analyze, and visualize data from your data logger.